Today I wanted to share with you my art job. So this is part of my cleanup process and routines. I have 6 different art jobs. That first art job is the material managers. So they are in charge of distributing and collecting all materials at the end of class. Our art associates, they distribute and collect all artwork and sketchbooks during the cleanup process. We have our table troops, so they're the ones that wipe down and make sure all of the tables are nice and clean. Our floor friends, they're the ones that walk around and pick up anything that might have been left on the floor. Our paint patrol, they actually come up here to the sink. I have 2 sinks and they are in charge of cleaning paintbrushes and paint palettes. And lastly is the cleanup captains. So they are the ones that are kind of in charge of the entire cleanup process. They also help to fill in when needed during that cleanup time. In addition, you can see that each of these table colors is actually been hot glued to a clothespin. So I'm able to rotate these jobs each and every single week for my artists to kind of have the opportunity to do all of these. So that's my art jobs and part of my cleanup process. I hope you found this helpful. Adios.